Hey everybody, it's Zamac again, back with some more updates on the track improvements. In the last video I showed you the finish line timer improvements that I made, and I talked about fixing this up here. So now I replaced that gray 3D printed piece with this plate, and now it just looks like normal Hot Wheels track right from the start. And I also basically took apart the whole track, and I'm using segmented Dollar Tree track, so I've actually gone back, cleaned up every joint, took this thing apart, matched it all up as good as I can. It was starting to get a little rough in some spots, so I basically redid the entire track. Good to go now. Got the new finish line timer. I did move this light down to get it real close to those sensors just to see if it made a difference, and it did seem to improve it somewhat. I'm thinking maybe this light here is just an LED bulb. Might not be throwing quite enough infrared. And there was also some issues with shadows. The light was a little farther back that way, and the front of the car would cast a little shadow. So I noticed, just doing some in-depth study. So I'm moving this right here. Now when the car comes up, there's no shadow hitting it before the car does. So that was actually triggering, the shadow was triggering it before the car actually got there when I did it in slow-mo. And of course, here's my stop box that you guys have seen before. It's just a 2.5 pound weight on top of a folded up towel. I think this works excellent. Cars hit it. It's enough that it actually bounces the weight at times, so it cushions the blow, and they just bounce back with no damage. So that's my latest improvement. I've got more in store. I've got a real cool one that I'm going to do that's going to be a surprise, but I'll save that for when I actually get it complete. So there it is, new and improved Zamac 2.0. Bye.